Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your daily guide to smart gadgets that truly upgrade your lifestyle. Today, we're diving into the Kindle Paperwhite Essentials Bundle, a complete set that includes the all-new Kindle Paperwhite, 16 gigabytes, Raspberry, a matching plant-based leather cover, and a power adapter. If you're a reader, traveler, or student, this bundle is designed to give you the ultimate reading experience right out of the box. Let's start with the heart of the bundle, the Kindle Paperwhite. With its 6.8-inch glare-free display, reading feels just like paper, even in bright sunlight. The adjustable warm light and dark mode let you personalize your reading experience, whether it's late at night or on a sunny afternoon. And unlike tablets or phones, this e-reader is easy on the eyes and built purely for reading without distractions. Performance-wise, the Paperwhite comes with 16 gigabytes of storage, enough to hold thousands of books, magazines, and audiobooks. Battery life is phenomenal, lasting up to 10 weeks on a single charge, making it one of the most reliable e-readers for long trips or everyday use. It's also waterproof, IPX8, so you can relax by the pool, at the beach, or in the bath without worry. Now, what makes this Essentials bundle worth it is the extra gear included. The Raspberry plant-based leather cover not only protects your Kindle but also automatically wakes it when opened and puts it to sleep when closed. The soft, eco-friendly design adds durability and style. Then there's the Amazon power adapter, which ensures you can fully recharge your Paperwhite in just a few hours, no more waiting all day for a top-up. Together, this bundle is perfect for anyone who wants to dive into the Kindle ecosystem with everything ready from day one. No need to buy accessories separately, it's a reader's dream package, lightweight, long-lasting, stylish, and practical. Buy it now on Amazon and step into distraction-free reading with comfort and style. And don't forget to hit subscribe to Gadgetverse for more trusted reviews of the best tech and lifestyle gear.